Welcome, beautiful soul. This is Debalina, certified Silva method instructor, and I'm here to guide you to a very short and quick relaxation meditation. Relaxation is a key to start any dynamic meditation. Until and unless your physical body is completely relaxed, your mind is under your control, it will be very tough to take full control or commands to your subconscious mind. Through this meditation, we will relax our physical body. Through visualization, we will relax our mind. And more you practice that, you will be able to step inside the alpha level of the mind consciously, and you will learn how to stay in this alpha level of mind for longer period of time being conscious. And this is a key for any dynamic meditation. Alpha level, that is 7 to 14 cycles per second, are the brain's natural relax mode. When you learn to relax through this meditation, when you know how to enter at alpha and stay conscious at alpha, it will help you to reduce the cortisol, that is the stress hormone. It helps you to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, resulting a calm body, balanced emotions, and better sleep. With more practice, your intuition becomes sharper, decisions feel clearer and more aligned. It synchronizes both the hemispheres of the brain, and this integration improves memory retention, learning speed, and problem solving. You feel more centered, less reactive, and this is your body's self-healing mechanism improvement state. It improves the immune system, lowers the blood pressure, and supports natural healing. So without further ado, let's quickly start the meditation now. Find a comfortable sitting position. Whatever is comfortable for you, it's not mandatory that you have to sit straight. Now take a slow deep breath and close your beautiful eyes. Now keep your eyes closed until I ask you to open it again. Now with your mind, slowly count down from 10 to 1. With each countdown, you feel that you are taking one step further. You are maybe on the 10th floor of a big staircase, and with each countdown, you are going down, taking each and every steps down until you reach the count of 1, that is to the ground floor. 10. Keep taking slow deep breath. 9, 8, 7. Keep on taking deep breaths. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have reached to the deeper level of the mind. Now to help you relax your physical body, focus your all attention, bring your concentration on your head area. Bring the focus on your forehead, on your skull. Feel the tingling sensation at this part of your body. Now release all the tension that part was holding for so long. Feel the flow of relaxation is moving down through your throat area. Your throat is becoming completely relaxed. Feel that you are releasing all the tension that you were holding for so long inside your throat. The flow of relaxation is moving down, spreading through your shoulders to your arms, releasing all the tension these parts of your body was holding. The flow of relaxation is moving down through your chest. The flow of relaxation is going down to your abdominal area. It's flowing through your legs. Release all the tension that every part of your body was holding for so long. This is such a beautiful feeling to be deeply relaxed. A very healthy state of being. Now just imagine that you are sitting in front of a vast ocean. It's night time. You are sitting on top of the sand. Mostly the beach is empty. You can see the vast ocean. You can see the waves are coming and going. Feel the gentle breeze. Feel it in your body. Look at the upside. See the beautiful night sky, clear sky, with lots of stars. Spend some time in this beautiful feeling. If you have experienced something like that, recall that memory. Keep on taking slow deep breaths. Try to feel the gentle breeze on your skin. Maybe the breeze is carrying a little bit of sand as well. Feel it on your skin. You are deeply relaxed now, physically and mentally. This is such a beautiful feeling to be deeply relaxed, a very healthy state of being. Now slowly, gradually bring your focus back to the present moment. I'll count from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, you will open your beautiful eyes. You will be wide awake. You will feel fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your eyes, be wide awake, feel fine, in a perfect health. Feel better than before. This is a very quick but very effective relaxation meditation. It won't take more than even 7 or 8 minutes. But if you just spend the 7 or 8 minutes from your entire day, from your entire busy schedule, it's my promise you will see lots of improvements in every areas of your life, especially managing your mind, managing your health. Don't forget to share your feelings, how you felt after the meditation, or if you have any queries or questions, feel free to reach out to me. You will find my contact details in the description or in the comment section. Until we meet again, bye, take care, keep smiling, better and better.